Police are investigating a series of unusual thefts. Burglars are stealing airbags from people's cars.
Some people waking up today to find their cars on bricks.
Yeah, they were missing their wheels and their tires.
Trucks are now stealing tailgates from the back of pickup trucks.
Okay, we got a Super Dually F350. Normally what they steal in this truck, the mirrors. They take the front grille, and then they take the tailgate in the back. I never see them go after the rims and tires because the truck sits too high, so it's kind of hard to put it on cinder blocks and whatnot. They don't really go after this truck for rims. Normally what they do is the mirrors. The tailgate is number one, although just break back there to see what you got going on. And the airbags once in a while, or they'll just disappear the whole truck altogether. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and what we did, we added the shock sensor to the factory alarm system, and we also gave him the module. So if the alarm fires off, he'll get an alert on his phone anywhere in the United States, even out of the country, as long as his phone got cell phone reception. And we also went ahead and protected that tailgate in the back, so if anybody opens up that lid on the back, it will fire off the alarm. First, we'll start off with the windows. And that will trip the alarm. You should be getting the alert in a few seconds. Give it a second, we'll wait. So it's pretty good. I mean, even if you have your phone on vibrate, the app will still work, and it'll send you the alerts to your phone. And it has its own distinguished sound, so it's not going to be just a, like a regular little notification that you can sleep right through it, along with all the other notifications that you probably have. This thing sounds like an actual car alarm, so they did a nice job on that. That way, if you at sleep, you don't fumble the football and sleep through the night while somebody's out here taking parts off your truck. We're going to go ahead and open up that tailgate and fire off the alarm again. When you arm the factory alarms, they all have a delay. You got to give it at least about 30 seconds before you open any of the doors or bang on the window or anything that we added to the factory alarm. You got to, the delay is not mine. The delay is factory. So yeah, it should be ready now. I'm going to go ahead and open up that tailgate. What they did, they busted out the keyhole and they already tried to steal the tailgate. So I'm going to go ahead and open the door. The alarm will fire off. And there goes the second alert there. By the way, it has GPS. The app has GPS. You get that comes for free with it. By the way, the first year is free, and after that it's just $30 a year, at least for this service on this particular unit that we install. So yeah, so it's $30 a year. First year is free, and then the system is the shock sensor kit add-on, glass break-in sensor is one price. Then if you want to add the text alert with the GPS, that's another price, and then it totals out, and that's basically it. So if you can always, if you guys have this particular truck and you want to just do the shock sensor glass break-in, you don't have to do the notification if you don't want it. It's going to be less money, of course. But if you want to do this whole package, like this guy did, because he likes to be away from the truck. A lot of times he's not going to be close to the vehicle. So in case it fires off, he wants to be able to get a notification anywhere that he's located in the United States. This shock sensor, the push notification GPS system, factory add-on on this Ford Super Dually 350 was installed here in Miami, Florida by auto alarm specialists. Our numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. 4814. And by the way, the nice thing about that is clean. You don't have to carry an extra remote control or nothing. Everything is incorporated to the factory alarm. We appreciate you watching this video. Our numbers are 305-298-4814.